Good morning, children. Today we are going to do the textbook activity in lesson number 6, Our Neighborhood. I hope you read the textbook, and now we are going to do the activity. Before going to do the activity, just we are going to recall what we have learned in this lesson, Our Neighborhood. Open textbook page number 32. Textbook page number 32. Lesson number 6, Our Neighborhood. See here, in page number 32, what they have given? The different landmarks. Important landmarks. See here, market, police station, hospital, fire station and park. These are the different landmarks in our neighborhood. Now see the next page. See. Landmarks of a neighborhood: market, police station, fire station, hospital, park. So these are the different landmarks in our neighborhood. And see how we should keep our neighborhood. We should keep our neighborhood clean and green. How we can keep our neighborhood clean and green? By planting more trees. We should plant more trees. And we should get rid of garbage in a proper way. In a proper way means by giving away the garbage to the garbage person. Is it clear, children? See, what are the different landmarks? See, a grocery shop. A grocer sells food and other useful goods for a home at a grocery store. So grocery store means you will be going to DMart, More, Reliance, like the different malls to buy the different food items from the mart. Is it clear, children? A greengrocer. See, a market. A greengrocer sells fruits and vegetables in the market. So it is also an important landmark. And the next one, we get milk and dairy products at the milk booth. What are the milk and dairy products? Such as cheese, butter, lassi, badam, milk. All these things will get from all these products will get from a milk dairy or milk booth. Is it clear, children? Now turn the page. See here, in page number 34. See here, this is a bakery. You can see the baker. He sells breads, cookies, cakes and other such products at a bakery. So the person who prepares all these things in the bakery is called as a baker. Next, see here. A butcher cuts and sells chicken and meat at a meat shop. The person who sells the meat is called as a butcher. And the next one, a fishmonger sells fish at a fish shop. The person who sells fish is called as a fishmonger. Is it clear, children? Now coming to the next, stationery. See here, stationery shop. What you'll get in a stationery shop? A stationer sells items such as pencils, erasers, art paper and crayons at a stationery shop. Stationery shop or bookstall you can call it as. Is it clear, children? And the next one, see, chemist shop. We get medicines at a chemist shops or a pharmacy, or we can call it as medical shop also. We get all the medicines from a chemist shop. And the next another place is park. See, you can play in the park. Your parents, grandparents, they can do walking in the park. Is it clear, children? The another important place in the neighborhood is police station. Police station. See here, the police work in a police station. We can dial 100 to call the police for our help. Is it clear, children? See, when something that might harm us happens suddenly, we can call it an emergency. We must take prompt action if there is an emergency. At that time, when there is an emergency, if any thieves comes into our house, if we dial 100 to call the police, they will come and help us. Is it clear, children? And the next one, fire station. Fire station. The firefighters work in a fire station. Is it clear, children? We can dial 101 to call the fire engine. The firefighters will come and put out the fire in our neighborhood if it occurs. And the next one is hospital. And the next one is hospital. See, doctors and nurses work in a hospital and looks after the patients. So we can dial 102 in some places and 108 in some places to call the ambulance. To call an ambulance. Now turn the page. See, here in this picture you can see the ambulance. So in this ambulance they will be having oxygen for the suffering people. And here, clean and green neighborhood. What is clean and green neighborhood? How should we keep our neighborhood clean and green? By planting more trees and by getting rid of the garbage in a proper way. Is it clear, children? Now here one activity is there. Checkpoint. Draw a smiley for the pictures that will make a neighborhood clean and green. See here. This is a garden. See, the girl is just enjoying the nature, enjoying and by seeing the flowers. So, it is a good habit. So, draw a smiley in the box. Is it clear, children? And see the next picture. See here, the girl is plucking the flowers. See, we should enjoy the nature. We should not destroy the nature. We should not pluck the flowers from the garden. So it is a wrong habit. So keep wrong in the box. See the next one. See, the boy is throwing the garbage into the neighbor's house. Is this the right way? No, we should not throw all the dirt or dust into the neighbor's house. So keep wrong in the box. And see the next picture. Garbage van. See, all the garbage in our house we have to give the garbage person. He will keep in the van, in the garbage van. Is it clear, children? So draw a smiley in the box. And see the next page. Page number 37. What is there in the page number 37? See, they have given some riddles. See, I am a vehicle. I carry sick people to the hospital. There is a red cross on me. I am a dash. Which vehicle will take the sick people from one hospital to another hospital? Ambulance. So what is the spelling of ambulance? A-M-B-U-L-A-N-C-E. Ambulance. Right in the dash. Ambulance. So the ambulance will carry sick people from one hospital to another hospital or from our house to the hospital. Is it clear? See the second one. I work in a fire station. When there is a fire, I go in a fire engine to put out the fire. I am a dash. Firefighter. The firefighters will come in the fire engine and put out the fire. So write F-I-R-E, fire. F-I-G-H-T-E-R, fighter. Fire, fighter. See the next one, third one. I work in a police station. I protect people from thieves and other dangers. I am a dash. Who will protect us from thieves and other dangers? Policeman. So write P-O-L-I-C-E, police, M-A-N, man, policeman in the dash. And see the last one. I cut and sell meat and chicken in the market. I am a dash. Who will cut and sell the meat and chicken in the meat shop? Butcher. So write B-U-T-C-H-E-R, butcher. Is it clear, children? Now see the next activity. Match the people given in row A with the vehicles given in row B. See, doctor. The first one is doctor. So, the doctor. Where the doctor will be? In a hospital. If you fall sick, if anybody is serious, you'll go in an ambulance to see the doctor. So, keep one near ambulance. Keep one near ambulance. See, for ambulance, you'll be having the red cross. Red cross. And the second one. And the second one, who is the second one? Firefighter. The second one is firefighter. So the firefighter will come in a fire engine. See, here is the fire engine. Write 2 number in the box. And the last one is policeman. The policeman will come in a police van. See, here is the police van. So write 3 in the near the police van. Is it clear, children? So now turn the page. Page number 38. What is there in 38 page? See, Sarah is in class 2. She knows about the shops found in a market, but sometimes she mixes up their names. Help her make the correct choice by ticking the right answer. Is it clear, children? Now see the first one. Sarah's grandmother is sick. She needs some medicines. So Sarah must go to a butcher or a chemist shop. Where you'll get the medicines? In a chemist shop or pharmacy or a medical shop. So here cut butcher and keep tick near chemist shop. Is it clear, children? And see the second one. The teacher wants all the children to get a new drawing book. Sarah must go to the grocery or stationery shop. So where should Sarah go to bring a new drawing book? Will she go to a grocery shop? No, she has to go to a stationery shop, because you'll get drawing books, crayons, pencils, pens, erasers, etc. All those things in a stationery shop or bookstore. Is it clear, children? Now see the third one. Sarah's birthday is on next Sunday. She wants her mother to take her to the butcher's, baker's shop to order her birthday cake. So where should she go to order a cake? Will she go to a butcher shop? No. She has to go to a baker's shop, bakery. There the baker will prepare the cake if we order. Is it clear, children? So cut butcher and keep right on bakers. And the last one. There is no milk to make tea for the guests. Sarah's father must get some milk from the milk booth or pharmacy. Where he has to go? He has to go to a milk booth to bring the milk or to a pharmacy to bring the milk. He has to go to a milk booth. In pharmacy, what is there? All medicines will be there in a pharmacy shop. So cut pharmacy and keep right on milk booth. So with this, we have completed the textbook activity in lesson number 6, our neighborhood. So please read the textbook and the hard words given in your PDF. Learn the question and answers. Is it clear, children? Thank you.